shout out to Fernando and Valerie Moore for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for your chance to be included in shout outs for future videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making my Coco Olive recipe again, scenting it with lemon myrtle and patchouli, equal parts, and I've just stick blended the oatmeal in with the oils, and it's quite fine, but if you want it to be more fine, then you're going to have to put it in a food processor or one of that blender I showed in the previous video. Let's see. So if you wanted to grind it up finer, like colloidal oat consistency, then you use something like this, and that will really grind it really fine. Like the colloidal oats / clay consistency. But I find that using the stick blender is fine. It's not harsh on the skin at all. And I do 2% so of the oil amount, so 20 grams of oatmeal per kilo of oils. So there's 100 grams in here because this is a 5 kilo batch. And it's my 25% water to oil ratio, which is my favorite to work with. I dissolve sugar and salt in the water before adding the lye, and then I wait for this to cool below 50 degrees Celsius. Actually, it's 50 degrees now. I did temperature check before I started recording, so I'll just have the sodium lactate. So this was just under 50 at 49 degrees Celsius, which is fine. My oils currently are sitting at 32.9, which is totally fine. I'm comfortable combining them together now. Yes, so that's the lemon myrtle and patchouli with vitamin E, natural vitamin E. And I'm going to be doing a split of yellow clay and equal split of yellow clay and pink clay with just a touch of red reef Australian clay. And I find that gives it a really nice tinge of red to the pink, and it just works out really nice. So that's what's going on here. Obviously it's going in a slab. So I'm just going to get started and see you at the end.